Hey everybody, so it's me and I'm back. If you're new to me, I'm Zarah with Watercolor Wizardry, where we're building the academy from the ground up, starting with hyper-realistic watercolor. So we're in beta right now, which is ground level, and right now the membership is open and it's at the lowest price it'll ever be. And I'll probably be in there. This is probably the most I'll be in there because I'm trying to, connect and build everything and all that. So yeah. So So I missed a couple of days of the podcast. So oops. But life happens, right? And it was just, I was reorganizing my schedule and then busy and then I don't know, rabbit holes. So it doesn't matter too much that you might not hit everything perfect. It's coming back. It's, getting back up and getting back into it again. So yeah, what's new? Created a new resource and I added it to the Academy. It's a step-by-step guide on turning an image into a pencil sketch in Affinity Photo, and how to export it, trying the lowest file size. Now, I actually, another announcement. I scheduled hangout sessions in the academy. So I'm there on the weekend evenings. I don't know, 3 o'clock evening, but late afternoon, and morning on Saturday or Wednesday morning. So that's new. And, I set that up. Yeah. So I created a new resource. It's an image to pencil sketch step-by-step guide. And I'm making it available for now as a free resource for now. So download that if you want. Yeah, what's brewing? Working on Watercolor Wizardry Starter Pack. That's a new thing. So before I had my supplies list available as an opt-in or as free, so you would know all the supplies that I use and all the supplies that I would recommend to beginners. Although I don't really recommend student grade necessarily, but if you have to, then sure. But for hyper, I do recommend just starting with the professional level stuff. It'll just make your life a lot easier. Brushes you can get away with, but the paper is the most important thing, and Arch is my favorite, but there's other papers that are really good also. And paints, I do Winsor & Newton professional watercolor. But there's other professional level paints out there. If you're doing hyper, because of the time that it takes to focus and all that, and the intention that you put into it, I would recommend just starting professional from the start. Okay, so platform progress. Kajabi is great. There's so many different ways I can do these freebies or offers or upsells, or that part is super fun. I love business too, like that part of it, building an online thing. It would be nice to have an assistant because it is tedious, and then I get stuck in decision mode and then rabbit holes. So it would be great to have an assistant, but at the same time I do have fun putting it all together too. And it's nice to know how the platform works too. So someday I would be helping other people set up their own thing on Kajabi or other platforms. They all kind of work similarly. But again, each platform, you have to learn specifically how they do their thing. So yeah, so that's what I've been doing, tinkering behind the scenes on Kajabi, setting things up, new schedule in the academy, the hangout sessions for the weekend and the weekday. That's it. So sign up for our upcoming workshops. You'll get my almost daily ramblings and encouragement. You'll get my weekly encouragement too, I think. Actually, I should make sure that's set up too. So head on over to watercolorwizardry.com. That's where everything is at. Yeah, the biggest thing we're doing is the academy, and it's in beta. So come on over. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.